In this video, I am revealing 8 powerful faceless YouTube niches that could replace your 9 to 5 job and give you the freedom to make money on your own terms. This means financial independence and the flexibility to work whenever and wherever you want, putting you in full control of your time and your income. And I'm not just doing guesswork here. I have real proof of channels in these niches making thousands of dollars every single month. On top of that, I have done this myself. I quit my job in 2020 to go all in on YouTube, and in just a couple of years, I built 2 successful channels that have pulled in over 75 million views. So when I say that YouTube has the power to make you more money than a traditional job, I mean it. But the truth is that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success on YouTube takes work, and it all starts with choosing the right niche. So after spending 3 months analyzing hundreds of faceless channels, I've narrowed it down to 8 niches that give you the best shot at financial freedom. To make things even easier, I'll be rating each niche on the basis of its earning potential, aka how much money can you realistically make from it, and 2, ease of creation. How difficult is it to start or run a channel in this niche? Starting off with number 9, geography. Geography is kind of an evergreen niche on YouTube, primarily because it overlaps with multiple other niches: science, economics, even global politics. So if either of these things interest you, this niche has massive potential. A great example of this is Hindsight, a channel with just 73 videos, and they've almost touched 300,000 subscribers. Last year, they got over 21 million views and earned close to $50,000. But here's the catch. You need to bring in real depth in your content if you want your channel in this space to work. Surface level explanations just won't cut it. Research is key. That said, actually making these videos is pretty straightforward. If you check out one of Hindsight's videos, you will notice that most of their visuals come from stock footage and public domain clips, things that are available in news reports and on social media. This means that while videos do take time to research and compile, they're not difficult to put together. So if you're passionate about world affairs and you can simplify complex topics, this is an amazing niche to tap into. Now, coming to the rating, for the earning potential, I'm going to give it a 3 on 5. And for ease of creation, it gets a 2 on 5, making the total score a 5 on 10. But if geography is not your thing and you want something more exciting and fast-paced, this next niche is for you, which is sports analysis. Now, if you're a sports fan, this niche is a no-brainer. Whether it's football, MMA, basketball, cricket, if you follow a sport religiously, why not turn that passion into a channel? And there are multiple types of channels that you can run within this niche. One of them is gameplay analysis, where you take the latest games, analyze their key moments, tactics, strategies that led to the team's victory, and then share them with fans. Fans love these kind of deep dives because it helps them see the games from a whole new perspective. You can also cover player transfers, team building strategies, and even the off-field drama and controversies that keep fans talking. You can also share your opinions on players, teams, on the sport itself. Beyond game analysis, you can also do things like creating full-fledged documentaries, diving deep into the journeys of legendary players, journey of the game itself, rise and fall of famous teams, etc. Now, these long-form videos not only get high engagement, but they also have the potential to go massively viral, bringing in a lot of views and over time a lot of revenue. Take Field Flicks, for example. They were launched in 2022 and they focus entirely on American football. Last month alone, they got over 2 million views and made close to $15,000. Then there's the channel Baseball Doesn't Exist. Ironically, they make baseball videos. But seriously, in the past month, they racked up 6 million views and made close to $12,000. Raymer Football is another popular channel in this niche, proving that you don't need millions of views to make a solid income. With just 800,000 views, they pulled in an estimated $6,000 in revenue. If you look at newer channels like ITP MMA Life, which was started in 2023 itself, they're already making thousands of dollars per month with nothing but solid analysis and smart storytelling. So for the earning potential, I'd give this niche a solid 3 on 5. And for the ease of creation, that really depends on you. If you know your sport inside out, analyzing games will actually come naturally. You don't need over-the-top visuals, just game clips, simple charts, and animations are enough to keep your viewers engaged. So the final ratings would be 3 on 5 for earning potential and also 3 on 5 for ease of creation, making the total a 6 on 10 for this niche. It's a great balance of effort and reward, perfect for anybody who loves and breathes sports. But if you're more business-minded, then this next niche will definitely excite you. Number 7, business documentaries. Now, with short-form content dominating the internet, you might think that people don't have the patience or the time to watch long-form videos. But in reality, the demand for in-depth, well-produced content has never been higher. That's why business documentaries are such a gold mine. These videos take viewers behind the scenes of how major companies were built, the struggles they faced, and the controversies that they've been involved in. You can also break down the stories of famous entrepreneurs, analyzing what made them successful. Not only do these videos attract millions of views, but they also generate massive revenue. That's because they fall under two of YouTube's highest paying niches: finance and business. This means high CPMs, which translates to more revenue for creators. And since these videos attract aspiring entrepreneurs and video editors, people actively looking to grow and invest in themselves, big brands also spend a lot to advertise on them. In the end, that means more money in your pocket. And that is not all. Channels in this niche regularly land high-paying sponsorships, adding another lucrative income stream to the mix. Take Magnates Media, for example. In just 1 month, they pulled in over 4 million views and earned close to $28,000. And these are just estimates. The creator behind Magnates Media shared real earnings from some of his videos, and one single upload made him more money than most people make in an entire year. But before you jump into this niche, you need to understand this. It is not easy. Even though you don't have to show your face or conduct real-life interviews, you still have to put in months of research, weeks of scripting, and even more time editing your visuals to match a high production standard. So while the earning potential here is 5 on 5, definitely, the ease of video creation is only a 1 on 5 for an average score of 6 out of 10. It's a high effort, high reward niche. So if you put in the work, you're likely to get great returns. But if business stories are not your cup of tea and you're more into the latest trends and internet culture, then you might want to stick to pop culture analysis. Here we break down the latest trends in fashion, beauty, entertainment, social media, explaining not just what's trending, but why it matters. You're showing how these trends shape society and influence the way people think. A great example is Modern Girls. In just the past month, this channel pulled in over 5 million views, earning close to $20,000. Now, this niche is largely opinion-based, but you still need deep research to actually form a confident opinion. But you don't require a lot of fancy editing. You need a passion for pop culture and the confidence to voice your perspective. If you can take a trending topic, break it down in a way that sparks discussion, you can build a highly engaged audience and a profitable channel in no time. So this gets a 3 on 5 for earning potential and a 4 on 5 for ease of creation, making the total score 7 on 10. Now, if pop culture is your thing, but you want to go more niche and the world of YouTubers fascinates you a little bit more, then you should consider the creator analysis niche. We live in a time where YouTubers and influencers are getting the same level of fame as actors and athletes. People love following their stories, their controversies, career highs and lows, and that is exactly what this niche is all about. You break down how these creators gained or lost their fame, exposed their biggest scandals, and analyze the online drama that they have been a part of. The best part is that you don't need to be the one exposing these creators. You can simply make a video essay summarizing how another creator exposed them or a media outlet exposed them. But why should you consider only focusing on the drama? Because honestly, people love drama. We are more naturally drawn to scandals and downfalls and the drama than we are to success and the rise of somebody else. It's just human nature. And that's exactly why these kinds of videos get insane viewership. Plus, the ad revenue is ridiculously high. Just look at Internet Anarchist, a faceless channel launched in 2021. Last month alone, they pulled in 9 million views, making anywhere close to $70,000. That's why this niche easily gets an earning score of 5 on 5. But what about the ease of creation? Well, it follows the scripting and editing style of a documentary, but it is not as time-consuming as something like a business documentary. Plus, since new influencers are on the rise, there's never a shortage of content. So that makes it a 3 on 5 for ease of creation, bringing the total score to a solid 8 on 10. Alright, but what if you like analyzing the bigger picture and breaking down cultural shifts happening around us? Then you should consider the social commentary niche. This niche is all about breaking down the events, trends, and ideas that shape our society. whether it's new technology, social issues, or even movies, YouTubers, and celebrities. Basically, if you think that a particular idea is influencing society, you can cover it on your channel. The key here is perspective. You're not just reporting what happens, you are explaining why it matters, how it impacts people, and what the bigger picture looks like. These channels don't just get views, but they get highly engaged communities. Viewers don't just watch, they comment, they debate, they share their own thoughts, turning every video into an ongoing conversation. And when people feel connected to your content, they keep coming back. And since these topics are always relevant, they tend to perform very, very well on YouTube's algorithm, leading to consistent views and high revenue. Channels like Sunny V2 dominate this space. Last month alone, they got over 24 million views and made close to $170,000. Then there is Moon, which was launched in 2020. Last month, it got over 4 million views and made close to $9,000. The earnings in this niche are solid, but it does take strong analytical skills and critical thinking skills if you really want to succeed in this space. You need to break down topics from different angles, present a clear, unbiased perspective, and use examples and metaphors to make your point easy to understand. Some people do have a natural talent for this, while others might find it challenging. So it would get a 5 on 5 for earning potential and a 3 on 5 for ease of creation, making the total score an 8 on 10. If you're thinking about getting into this niche, I highly recommend checking out the channels I mentioned earlier. Watch their videos, study their approach, and if you see you have interest and knack for creating this kind of content, just dive in. Now we are reaching the final countdown, the top 3 niches in this list. Let's talk about them one by one. Number 3 is mood music. This niche took off in 2017 with the rise of lo-fi music, and thanks to the famous Lo-Fi Girl channel, while the trend has evolved, mood music channels are still going strong. Today, they focus on creating relaxing, uplifting, or immersive music experiences that people listen to while studying, working, unwinding, even sleeping. The beauty about this niche is that you have complete creative freedom to explore different genres, whether it's deep house, chill beats, tropical house, electronic music. A prime example of this is Sensual Music, a channel that absolutely dominates this space. Just last month, they pulled in over 100 million views, earning close to $200,000 in ad revenue alone. But the catch is, you can't just take somebody else's music and upload it. If you try to repost tracks from other artists without proper rights, you will get copyright strike, even demonetization, or might have your channel taken down. That is why you either need to create your own tracks, or you need to have a subscription to a royalty-free music platform like Epidemic Sound, where you get like this massive library of high-quality copyright-free tracks. Simply downloading a single track from this website and uploading it is not going to set you apart. The key here is to find and combine multiple tracks to create a seamless, uplifting, and fulfilling experience for listeners. I'm not saying that this is more difficult than other niches on the list. It's definitely easy to do, but what you need to do is find the kind of music that generates a specific sort of mood or evokes a certain emotion, put them all together, and then create your video. Mood music channels don't just play music, they curate an experience. And if you can master this niche can be incredibly lucrative. Once a video is uploaded, it can continue generating passive income for years. So for earning potential, this niche gets a 5 on 5, and for ease of creation, it gets a 3 on 5 because there is a slight barrier to entry, but that brings the final score to 8 on 10. Coming to niche number 2, basic financial education. Most people think that they need a finance degree to start a finance channel, but that is not true. You do not have to dive into topics like stocks or what shares to buy, etc., or crypto strategies, etc. Instead, you can focus on the fundamental things like mindset shifts needed to build wealth, the sacrifices that lead to financial success, and the habits that keep people poor. These are topics pretty much anybody can talk about from their own experience. You do not need to be a financial expert. The information is already out there. You may have personally experienced it, you may have read it in books, blogs, or even watched it on YouTube. You are simply presenting it in a way that is easy to understand. Now, since this falls under the finance niche, the CPMs are insanely high. Even with a modest number of views, these videos make great ad revenue. Plus, finance channels regularly land sponsorships, so you won't have to rely on AdSense. Take Alux for example. Last month, they got over 2 million views and made close to $19,000. Now, Alux uses high-quality animations and illustrations, but when you're starting, you don't have to go that far. Chris Invests, for instance, uses simple whiteboard animations and even states upfront that his content is not financial advice, just basic financial education. And despite getting only 200,000 views last month, he still made close to $2,000. That is solid revenue for such a small amount of views. So for earning potential, again, this niche gets a 5 on 5. And for ease of creation, I'd give it a 4 on 5, making the total score 9 out of 10. And now finally, drumroll please, we have reached the #1 niche on this list. One that never goes out of demand because it taps into a universal desire. I'm talking about self-improvement. I know we've covered this multiple times, but we all have a deep natural desire to become better versions of ourselves. No matter where we live or what we do, self-improvement is something that resonates with everyone. That is why this niche is evergreen. The demand never fades, and there's always a huge audience eager to consume this content. I myself have been making self-improvement videos for close to 2 years now, and I can confidently say that the ad revenue is solid. Plus, just like finance channels, self-improvement channels regularly get sponsorships. So you'll have another income stream on top of ad revenue. Now, if you want to take it even further, you can launch your own courses, you can offer consultation, you can turn your channel into a full-fledged business. Now, if you want to grow and you want to grow significantly in a few months, I highly recommend using Stickman animations, at least right now, because this animation style is absolutely blowing up on YouTube right now. Even brand new faceless channels are racking up millions of views with just a handful of uploads. Take Easy actually, for example, this channel launched just last year, has only uploaded 15 videos, and yet those 15 videos have pulled in 16 million views, earning him anywhere close to $30,000. And he's not alone. Productive Peter started in March of last year, got over 1 million views in the last 28 days, and earned close to $8,000. The best part is that he's only uploaded 29 videos until now. So clearly there is a massive audience for this content. Now coming to the ratings for this niche, I am going to give it a 4 on 5 for ease of creation, because you can use tools like InVideo AI now to create any sort of animation that you want for your own self-help channel. You never have to show your face. And I would give it a 5 on 5 for earning potential, making the total score a 9 on 5. Now, if you put in the time and the effort, these niches can absolutely replace your 9-to-5 job. But don't make the mistake of quitting too soon. Social media is filled with advice that tells you to take risks and chase your dreams with no backup plan. But without financial security and savings, that is a very risky gamble. So keep your job, build your YouTube channel on the weekends. And yes, that is absolutely possible, because I show you exactly how to do that just by working 5 hours every weekend and create a full-fledged channel that actually makes you money. So I highly recommend you go check out this video next. I break down everything step by step, and let me know in the comments which of these niches appeals the most to you. And I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon in the next one. Bye-bye.